Welcome back everybody, my name's Rohan. We're at Cobra Sport HQ for a new exciting development drop, which is the new Mini F67. What we've created is a valve secondary catback performance exhaust. While staying fully MOT compliant, it will still give you that Cobra Sport signature sound. So the setup is pretty simple. We've got a 3-inch non-resonated centre pipe, reducing down to a 2.5 inch at the rear. One side's resonated to keep it nice and quiet, and the other side's fully open with the valve to make it a bit louder. Now, unlike other systems that rely purely off drive modes, the Mini's valves are purely off throttle input. Bit heavy on the right foot, the valves will open, giving you that pure JCW noise. When you let go, the gas will go through the resonator, giving it a bit more of a subtle noise. To pronounce the new single tip design presented by Mini, we've decided to put a 4.5 inch tip just to express the emotion a bit more. These tips will be available in stainless steel as well as carbon fibre for that extra premium look. There it is, our valve secondary catback for the brand new Mini. And of course, there's nothing that made sense in today's video. Just take a look at exhaust torque where we break things down into finer detail. And as always, see you next time.